Hello everyone and welcome to the 12th day of Nailmas, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. How's everybody doing today? In today's tutorial we have another super quick accent nail idea. This is going to be on a black background, and this is a black pop stick. I just added some base coat to make it tacky. This is going to be a super easy Christmas tree made out of embellishments. So I'm going to use my Venalisa nail glue and some no white top coat and whatever kind of baubles you want to use. I'm using pearls, some iridescent crystal clear hanslee crystals, and I'm also going to use some gold caviar, as well as I have some of these little metal gold stars. So I'm just gonna prepare my little lids with my baubles, and I will get back to you. So now I'm going to take some of my Venalisa nail glue on a dotting tool, just a little bit of it, and I'm going to do a full Christmas tree on this nail. So I'm going to do a tall triangle, but I'm not going to go quite to the bottom. I'm going to do it like so, and then I'm also going to do the trunk and also a little sort of circle at the top as well for the tree topper. So now I'm going to coat the whole nail in no wipe top coat. And when you're doing, if you guys decide to do this like this way, you want to go like light-handed with your top coat. Like you don't want to push your brush into it because you want your nail glue to remain where it is. We're just kind of going over top so that when everything gets pushed into it and it gets cured, you don't have any like little stickiness in between, if you know what I mean. So now I'm gonna go in with the pearls and AB crystals, and I'm going to fill in my tree and the trunk of my tree. So here you'll see me kind of, I almost was going to dump the caviar over the whole thing, and then I remembered the whole nail is wet. So I'm taking a wet brush and I'm picking up the caviar and I'm placing it to fill in the rest of the Christmas tree and also the trunk. And then I will use the barrel of my brush to straighten everything up. So now that that is complete, I'm going to take one of these gold metal stars. I'm going to top my tree with that. I will place one single AB crystal in the star. I will cure the nail for 60 seconds and it will be all finished. All right, so there it is, all finished. You can use any kind of embellishment combination you like. I wanted to go a little non-traditional. So I hope you guys enjoyed that quickie accent nail tutorial. And as always, I hope you all stay jazzy.